I'm sure you've already tried watching some videos and viewing some ads. And I'm also sure that you've already encountered one of those videos with a lot of ads in them. Does it test your patience, or are you watching it as well? Because what if I tell you right now that you can make money from that? And if you could, then would you start watching video ads? In this video, I'll show you a website where you can make extra cash by watching videos and viewing ads. Let me show you how it works, so stay right there and watch the entire video. It would be best if you took note of all the essential details that I'll be showing you as I go along with the process. And you'll have to wait for the bonus tip somewhere in this video. So just stay with us and don't miss it. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. You only need to remember these 3 steps, and these are very simple steps that anyone can follow. For the first step, play the video on the websites. The second step is to watch the video for 10 seconds. And lastly, withdraw your money. That's the 3 easy peasy steps. All of the videos you watch on your phone can let you earn a lot of money if you utilize this method and for you to understand how the websites that I'll introduce to you later works. A lot of people have already used the website and cashed out their earnings. As you can see, there are precise dates, usernames, and the payment methods they've selected, along with the sum they withdrew. They withdraw their money using different payment methods, including Perfect Money, Skrill, Payeer, and RTM. Some users cashed out their $5 earnings, and some of them even cashed out $10, $15, $20, and even higher than that. And it only took them a few minutes of work on the website. So, for the 60 minutes of work you put in, you'll receive $40. Therefore, you can earn up to $80 for 2 hours. Then you could even make up to $200 for 5 hours of work. That's a reasonable sum of money, given that you only worked on it for 5 hours and didn't put too much time or energy into it. The best part here is that it's entirely free, so you can repeat the process however many and wherever you like. And now, the website is called swingbucks.com. This website may be familiar to some of you, but for those who are unaware that this website exists, here is the website's homepage. The website is accessible worldwide, and all you need is a computer or a phone and stable internet access. There are many ways to make money from this website. They provide a wide range of jobs, such as viewing ads, and you click on daily ads to get 3 cents for each click. We also have here Clicks Grid, where you can win up to $1, which will be added to your account immediately. They also provide videos, mainly YouTube videos, that you should watch. You can also finish offers to gain points. And they also have an affiliate system which allows you to increase your earnings by referring individuals and sharing your referral link or code with them. You can read here the perks of being a member of this website, so you can earn up to 3 cents per click and 2 cents per sign up. You can also make up to $20 per referral upgrade. This website ensures they offer the safest and easiest way to earn money online. Some information about the website is also posted here, like its advertisers and anything about Swingbucks. They have now paid about $42,000 to thousands of registered users. So now you have to register for an account. And this is the first step. Click the register button and then you'll be taken to this page, where you have to provide all the required information. Start by entering your full name, username, password, and email address in the general information section. You can then enter the details of your preferred payment method in the payment account. Make sure you put the correct information so that you can cash out your earnings hassle-free. You can select from various payment methods such as Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and RTM. Then, tick the box of the reCAPTCHA under the image verification. Check the terms of service to ensure that you've read, understood, and agreed to abide by Swingbucks rules. Simply click this link to read the terms, and then press the register button. After creating a new account, proceed to step 2. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. Thanks for your time. This is Daily Cash Flow. Back to the video, where you can log in and have access to the videos and advertisements that will allow you to make money. People can watch several advertisements thanks to various companies supporting this website. Let me share the first bonus tip to help you maximize your earnings. Go to View Ads, and then you'll see here different types of advertisements. There are fixed, standard, daily, micro, and light swing ads. Now here's the thing, you should pay attention to this kind of advertisement, and this is the micro ads. You may be wondering why, but it's simply because you can make a lot of money just by watching a 10-second video on micro ads. Just focus on the micro ads, and this is what you need to do. You have to wait for the video ad while watching a video. The video ad will transition to a regular video after 10 seconds. Then, wait again for a few seconds for another ad. The second bonus tip I want to share is that you can turn the video's volume down or even mute it, because in that case, you only have to play the video in the background as you complete other tasks. And so the third bonus tip is the ideal strategy that you have to follow, and that is by watching several videos on different tabs at once. Open many tabs and play all the videos to maximize your earnings. And here's another bonus tip. You can also use different gadgets. You can use all of your devices if you have a PC, a laptop, or even an old phone. And if you want to use even more devices, you can borrow your sister's or your brother's phone and play the videos. It's better to use more devices. Remember that when you watch more videos, you'll also see video ads more frequently. Every time you watch a video, you'll notice that there's always one video ad in front of it. And here comes the fifth bonus tip. If you want an additional way to make money on this website, use the clicks grid category. When you attempt to click on one of these little boxes, you might win $5. Any of these boxes can be selected and opened to reveal what's inside. Every day at midnight server time, clicks are reset. The individual boxes or the entire image will be updated, and in which case, you can use the clicks grid every day and have a chance to win $5 each day. The only thing you need to do is to pick randomly on these boxes, and that's it. So simple. Well, that's 5 bonus tips that you've learned today. You should do all those tips to earn more cash on the Swingbucks website. Additionally, you now have ideas for how to best use the website and increasing your earnings. How can a website like this help users like you and me in making money online? People these days seem to have doubts about most of the websites they come across on YouTube. But if you look at the payment proof, user reviews, and website transparency, you'll be reassured that this website is legitimate. Again, so many people are already benefiting financially from the Swingbucks website. So without a doubt, you could as well. Take this opportunity so you can earn some extra cash. I hope this video was helpful to you. Those are the steps and the tips that I can share. Please tell us what you think about Swingbucks in the comment section below by leaving your opinions and feedback. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.